Hidden garden restored after years of neglect. Peak Agroseeds. Welcome back to Peak Agroseeds. In today's transformation, we're bringing a forgotten garden back to life. This property had been left untouched for a long time after the family's loved one passed away. Over the years, thick weeds, invasive brambles, stinging nettles, and thousands of dandelions completely took over the space. The original walkways, garden borders, and stone steps had disappeared beneath the overgrowth, making the garden almost impossible to recognize. Our mission is simple: restore this neglected landscape into a clean, safe, and attractive garden that the family can be proud of. Since they're preparing the property for its next chapter, we want to give them a fresh start by uncovering the beauty that has been hidden for years. We begin by cutting back the tallest vegetation and removing the dense layers of weeds that have spread across the entire garden. Every section requires careful attention because thick brambles and tangled roots have claimed nearly every corner of the yard. As we continue clearing the overgrowth, the original shape of the garden slowly starts to reappear. Hidden pathways emerge from beneath the weeds, stone edging becomes visible again, and long-forgotten garden features begin to take shape. It's amazing how much potential can be hidden beneath years of neglect. Next, we focus on trimming overgrown shrubs, pruning old rose bushes, and removing dead branches to encourage healthy future growth. Working carefully around established plants helps preserve the garden while giving everything room to breathe again. The cleanup also involves collecting large amounts of green waste, fallen branches, and invasive vegetation. Load after load is removed to create an open, tidy space where sunlight can once again reach the lawn and flower beds. With the heavy clearing complete, we move on to the finishing touches. Garden edges are refined, remaining weeds are removed, and every path is cleaned to reveal the original layout. The transformation becomes more dramatic with every step, showing just how much difference proper maintenance can make. The final result is a completely refreshed outdoor space. What was once hidden beneath thick vegetation is now an inviting garden with visible walkways, clean borders, healthy plants, and a much brighter appearance. The property feels larger, cleaner, and far more welcoming than when we first arrived. Projects like this remind us that even the most neglected gardens can be restored with patience, hard work, and the right approach. Every cleanup not only improves the appearance of a property but also helps families move forward with confidence. Thank you for joining Peak Agroseeds on another incredible garden restoration journey. If you enjoy satisfying lawn care, garden cleanups, landscaping transformations, and outdoor restoration projects, be sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss our next transformation. We'll see you in the next garden rescue.